Welcome to this tutorial series on how to use our advanced PBN management tool, ExecPBN. In these videos, we'll talk you through everything you need to know about the software. We'll start by showing you how to import your network and then run you through how to utilise all our tools and processes to their full potential. Firstly, let's run you through what the system is, how it works, and several key terms to help you understand how we define different entities involved in your PBN. ExecPBN is a management platform for those needing a solution to run high-performance PBNs. The system acts as the management layer above your hosting. We utilise a mix of our own crawlers, external APIs, internal algorithms, and a content publishing and management system that connects to your blogs via XMLRPC. This setup was specifically designed so that we can help manage your network without the need to install any intrusive plugins or script workarounds. All we require is a URL of your domain, and if you'd like the system to be able to edit existing content, as well as publish new articles and links, we need a username and password for your WordPress, Drupal, or Tumblr account. There are 5 key systems within ExecPBN. Network Manager. This is essentially a database of, firstly, your network blogs, which are the domains involved in your network, secondly, your client sites, which are your money sites or SEO clients, and thirdly, your hosting providers. From here, we track their stats and performance within your network. Link reports. These are our reporting and intelligence tools for backlinks that exist on your network. Content and publishing system. This includes our content task, publishing and team manager, editing tools, backup system, and a searchable index of your PBN content, as well as our posting automation tools. Monitoring. These are our network monitoring and pattern detection tools that help keep your PBN healthy and mitigate risk. Crawler. Our crawler compiles an index of your PBN URLs, including your content and links. This crawler means that we can build a content database for you, as well as index all your backlinks into our reporting tools. The index the crawler creates means you can start getting information from the system instantly. The system crawls your networks daily, so any manual updates you make to your network blogs are quickly reflected within the tool. Let's look at some key terms within ExecPBN. Blogs. Blogs are your network domains. Clients. These are money sites or SEO clients. Any site that is a benefactor of a link from your PBN is considered to be a client in ExecPBN. Post. This is a single URL on your PBN, or one that might be about to be created for your PBN via the system that contains content and links. Before you get into ExecPBN, you'll need to tell us about your network. This process can be as simple as just letting us know the URLs of the domains in your PBN, or you can front-load some work to take advantage of our publishing and automation systems. In that case, we'll need some more details from you. Join us in our next video where we'll talk you through the import process so you can start using ExecPBN straight away.